On Thursday, the Hudson County Board of Chosen Freeholders eventually tabled a measure that would allow the county to purchase property in Jersey City to build a new courthouse. Jersey City Councilman Rich Baggiano led the opposition against the board, claiming that a recent conversation with County Executive Tom DeGise indicated that the board would not vote on the issue anytime soon.
About a week and a half ago, I was at a meeting with several representatives of the county, and it was my understanding, and Junior, you were there, it was my understanding when I left the meeting that this whole deal with the property and the building of the new courthouse would be held off and nothing would get out until we sat down and we discussed it with the neighborhood. I have a letter here which comes from the Collin Foley Law Firm dated August 6, 2013 to myself, Rich Borgiano, councilperson, and to M&H Developers. And in this letter, it states to all of us, it says, after meeting with the county representatives, we were informed that the county was not in a position to purchase these properties at that time or in the near future. And it was recommended that my client proceed with its development if he chooses so. Please let me know if you have any further questions regarding those specific issues. Now at that meeting was Tom Lean and Mike O'Connor.
Things got even more convoluted when Tony DeLuco, a former owner of the property in question, said he got a notice from the county requesting not to build on the land back in 2008. Furthermore, DeLuco said the land would be deemed condemned if it was not relinquished to the county.
Back in approximately, I'm not sure the exact dates, 2005, 2006, I received approvals on that property to build 96 units initially with a 12-story building. Thereafter, or during, it was during that time that we were served with a notice, Abraham Anton sent a notice to Bob Cotter, Jersey City Planning Department, to ask the project to be stopped because the county was thinking about taking the property for a new courthouse. Of course, we did stop. We spoke with council, and that was so. When Mr. Councilman Borgiano says that the project was stopped and the county interfered, there is a letter. It's documented from the county administrator's office to request that this property not be allowed to proceed with the development.
So I can understand the speaker because I'm a little confused. If they received approvals, what was issued that stopped you from building?
Well, it was a letter from this county saying that the county desired to have the property and was prepared to take the property under a condemnation action. And at that time, we were not willing to break ground with a threatened condemnation with a $100,000 interest carry every month.
Jersey City freeholder Bill O'Day, who works in development for a living, lost his cool when he heard about the county threatening to condemn the property.
The county, who could have done that as part of the study, didn't even bother to study it. Now, without any study, wants to pass a resolution that allows them to condemn the property. Now, all Councilman Borgiano said is he wants to delay action on this resolution till there's a community meeting. I don't think Mayor Zimmer of Hoboken would ask the City Council of Hoboken to have a resolution to condemn, or language that would allow them to condemn a city block in that town without a community meeting. I know Mayor Stack would never have it. I don't think any of the mayors of this county would ever have that. That's what's being asked to be done today.
Legal counsel Donato Batista then reminded the public that regardless what the letter sent to DeLuco said, the resolution in front of the board had nothing to do with condemning any property.
Specifically, in the resolution, which I don't believe has been introduced, but which we've submitted to the board in anticipation of introducing it, specifically says, the commencement of any condemnation action or the execution of any purchase and sale agreement regarding the property shall be subject to the approval of the Board of Chosen Freeholders.
I'm John Heides with Hudson County TV. For more information, log on to HudsonCountyTV.com.